Welcome to this complete blackhead removal and deep skin cleansing session. In today's routine, we will carefully cleanse the skin, soften clogged pores, remove blackheads safely, and restore the skin's natural balance. This session is designed for relaxation, education, and skin health. Every step will be performed gently, slowly, and professionally to protect the skin barrier while achieving visible cleanliness. Blackheads form when excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities become trapped inside pores and oxidize when exposed to air. If not removed correctly, they can stretch pores, cause inflammation, and lead to breakouts. Step 1. Hand and tool sanitation. Before touching the skin, cleanliness is essential. First, wash your hands thoroughly using warm water and an antibacterial soap. Clean under the nails and between fingers for at least 30 seconds. All tools used in this session, such as blackhead extractors, cotton pads, tweezers, or spatulas, must be sanitized using 70% isopropyl alcohol. This step prevents bacteria transfer, infection, redness, and irritation. Professional skincare always begins with proper hygiene. Step 2. Removing surface impurities. Now we begin by removing surface dirt, makeup, sunscreen, and environmental pollutants. Using a gentle micellar water or makeup remover, apply a small amount onto a cotton pad. Softly glide the pad across the face without rubbing. Focus on the forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. This step prepares the skin for deeper cleansing without causing stress. The skin should feel fresh, not tight. Step 3. Gentle cleansing wash. Next, cleanse the skin using a mild, sulfate-free facial cleanser. Dampen the face with lukewarm water. Apply a small amount of cleanser to your fingertips and massage gently using circular motions. Spend extra time on the nose, sides of the nose, chin, and forehead, areas prone to blackheads. Continue massaging for 30 to 60 seconds. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and gently pat dry using a soft towel. Never scrub aggressively. Gentle movements protect the skin barrier. Step 4. Steaming to open pores. Steaming helps soften blackheads and open clogged pores. Fill a bowl with hot water optional. Add 1 drop of tea tree oil or chamomile for calming benefits. Position the face about 12 to 15 inches above the steam. Close your eyes and breathe naturally. Steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This step loosens hardened oil, relaxes the skin, and makes extraction safer and easier if heat feels uncomfortable. Step back immediately. Step 5. Skin rest period. After steaming, allow the skin to rest for 1 to 2 minutes. Lightly press a clean, cool towel onto the face to calm the skin. This brief pause helps prevent irritation during extraction. Step 6. Blackhead softening gel or mask. Apply a blackhead softening gel, enzyme mask, or mild exfoliating solution to congested areas. Focus on nose corners, chin, forehead. Allow the product to sit for 5 to 8 minutes. This step breaks down hardened sebum and loosens debris deep inside pores, making removal gentle and controlled. Step 7. Gentle exfoliation. Using a very mild exfoliant or enzyme peel, gently massage the skin. Use light pressure only. Circular motions help lift dead skin cells without scratching the surface. Exfoliation clears the pore opening, allowing blackheads to exit smoothly. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Step 8. Blackhead extraction preparation. Wrap clean tissue or cotton around your fingertips or use a sanitized cum-done extractor. Ensure the skin is still warm and relaxed. Never use nails directly on the skin. Proper preparation minimizes pain and prevents skin damage. Step 9. Safe blackhead extraction. Now we begin extraction. Apply gentle, even pressure around the blackhead. Do not squeeze aggressively. If a blackhead does not release easily, stop. Never force it. Work slowly, area by area, giving the skin time to respond. Extraction should feel controlled, not painful. Step 10. Deep pore cleaning. After blackhead removal, cleanse pores using an antibacterial toner or saline solution. Apply with cotton pads using gentle pressing motions. This step removes residual oil, bacteria, and debris left inside pores. Step 11. Calming mask application. Apply a calming clay, aloe vera, or Centella asiatica mask. This mask soothes irritation, reduces redness, absorbs remaining oil. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Breathe slowly and allow the skin to relax. Step 12. Mask removal. Remove the mask using lukewarm water or damp cotton towels. Pat the skin dry gently. The skin should feel clean, smooth, and refreshed. Step 13. Pore closing toner. Apply a pore tightening toner containing witch hazel, green tea, or niacinamide. Use gentle tapping motions. This step helps shrink pores and restore skin balance. Step 14. Hydration serum. Apply a lightweight hydrating serum. Hyaluronic acid or panthenol works best after extraction. Massage gently until absorbed. Hydration prevents dryness and speeds skin recovery. Step 15. Moisturizing. Seal in moisture with a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Use upward, gentle strokes. Moisturizing protects the skin barrier and prevents future blackheads. Step 16. Sun protection, daytime. If this routine is performed during the day, apply sunscreen. Sun protection prevents pigmentation and irritation after extraction. Step 17. Aftercare advice. Avoid makeup for 24 hours. Do not touch or pick the skin. Drink water and keep the skin clean. Step 18. Cooling compress application. Apply a clean, cool compress or chilled cotton pads to the face. Gently press onto areas where blackheads were removed. This step reduces redness, calms inflammation, and tightens pores naturally. Hold the compress in place for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 19. Antibacterial mist or spray. Lightly mist the face with an antibacterial or soothing facial spray. Look for ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, thermal spring water. This creates a protective layer and keeps the skin refreshed. Step 20. Niacinamide serum application. Apply a few drops of niacinamide serum. Gently spread across the skin using tapping motions. Niacinamide helps reduce redness, control oil production, strengthen the skin barrier, allow it to absorb completely. Step 21. Under eye care. Apply a lightweight under eye gel or cream. Use your ring finger to tap gently around the eye area. Avoid rubbing. This step prevents dryness and relaxes facial tension after treatment. Step 22. Light facial massage. Begin a slow, gentle facial massage. Use upward and outward strokes to encourage circulation. Avoid deep pressure on recently extracted areas. Massage helps lymphatic drainage and improves skin tone. Step 23. Oil balancing serum. Apply an oil balancing serum to the T-zone. Focus on the nose, chin, and forehead. This step helps prevent future blackheads by regulating sebum production. Step 24. Breathing and relaxation moment. Pause for a brief relaxation moment. Take slow, deep breaths. Allow the skin and body to relax completely. This calming pause is especially beneficial in ASMR skincare sessions. Step 25. Gel-based moisturizer. Apply a lightweight gel moisturizer. Gel formulas hydrate without clogging pores. Use gentle pressing motions rather than rubbing. The skin should feel comfortable and balanced. Step 26. Neck and jawline care. Extend skincare down to the neck and jawline. Apply leftover product using upward strokes. This area is often overlooked but equally important. Step 27. Spot calming treatment. If any areas appear slightly red or sensitive, apply a spot calming gel. Ingredients like Centella asiatica, allantoin, panthenol help soothe localized irritation. Step 28. Pore sealing essence. Apply a pore sealing essence. Gently pat it into the skin. This locks in hydration and reinforces pore tightness after extraction. Step 29. Skin texture check. Lightly glide clean fingers across the skin. Notice the smoothness and clarity. This step helps ensure all areas are clean and balanced. Step 30. Final hydration layer. Apply a final thin layer of hydrating lotion. This seals all previous products and maintains moisture throughout the day or night. This completes the blackhead removal and deep skin cleansing session. Performed correctly, this routine helps maintain clear pores, smooth texture, and healthy skin. Thank you for joining this professional skincare experience.